Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to see who reposted your Instagram post. So, if you want to find out who has reposted one of your posts, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, scroll through your posts and find the post you want to check. Tap on the post to open it. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the lines. A menu will appear. Scroll down and look for View Insights. Then tap on it. This will open the insights for your post. Now, go to Engagement section. Here, you should see an option called Repost. As you can see, this post has been reposted one time. Now, to find out who reposted the post, tap the back arrow in the top left corner to go back. Then tap the back arrow again to return to your profile. After that, tap the home icon in the bottom left corner to return to your Instagram homepage. Once you're back on the homepage, look at the top right corner and tap the heart icon to open your notifications. Now, on the notifications page, you can check your recent activity. If Instagram provides the repost notification for your account, you should be able to see the person or account that reposted your post here. And that's it. That's how you can check your Instagram post insights and use your notifications to see who reposted your Instagram post. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks.